Right, I've noticed this. My mate was trying to help me clean up. I don't know if we can zoom in anymore. I've had this, these floorboards unscrewed and lifted up. Putting some black tape down where the gaps are in the floorboards in the hallway. And before I moved in, I was told there was a drug dealer who used to live here and hide his drugs underneath this particular part, entrance to the bedroom and the hallway to the lounge. So, why on earth, again, they've cut a bit of wood away. This is where the black tape is covering up to mark it out. See the gaps? They weren't as bad as that. The screws, they're making my bloody flat completely ruined, let alone not repairing stuff that I paid rent for. Right, this screw there built into the floor, but because they keep bloody well lifting up this part, mainly, I'm a ground floor flat in the UK. Look how bloody well it's absolutely wider. Look at the gaps. And my friend was just cleaning up and just noticed this parts. I tell you, there's just nothing but trying to get me out of this place. So this is just a temporary measure. But yeah, I know. I'm trying to balance on water by the door. I don't really can see the other screws where they're meant to be, but this is a section underneath that part of the pipe to the radiator is. They're trying to cover up any draft coming up, you see, to keep this flat warm as well. Just ridiculous. Despite ordering painting and DIY before, there's a couple of bits on the door. There's no point putting any bloody floor covering down when they're refusing to repair that bloody wet room for 2 years. This is all part of the targeting gaslighting and to make out this place isn't suitable to live. This has just been constantly going on. There's no point putting new investment in door handles because they keep undoing the door handles. Small medical wires, a wheelchair and a hoist leads to charge things up. So yeah, you keep glossing and painting, depending on how I can get out after my wheelchair is repaired, is to gloss down around the skirt boards. But still it won't make no difference because when there's a flat empty they go and we gut it all out anyway. You see, it's nothing but the same ever since I lived here anyway. 7th of January 2021.